In this video, we're going to show you the process of making a special sweet dish with 100 years of history. First of all, milk is heated in a large pot. Then the milk is transferred to another vessel. Here, a coagulant is added, which makes curd. Then the vessel is closed. Next, the curd is made and taken out of the pot. At this stage, the curd is covered in the cloth and it's pressed to remove water. After a few hours, the water is drained and the curd is transferred into a big pot. Then the curd is weighed and sieved into another pot. Here, pure curd pulp is made and it's poured into another container. At this stage, sugar and fruit confectionery is added to the curd pulp. At this stage, adding dried grapes to the mixture, the base of the dish is made. Then the sweets are filled into boxes. Once it is weighed, it is garnished with various dry fruits. Then it is closed with a lid and a barcode sticker is applied to it. Finally, it is packaged into cardboard boxes, sealed, and another sticker is applied to it. In the end, these special sweet dish boxes are stored in cold storage. Contact us if you would like to feature your factory on Unbox Factory.